Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. By the way, general reading po ito, general love reading. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Kung may mga naririnig kang extrang sound sa background ko, pagpasensyahan mo na lang yon. Hindi ko yung mapipigilan, guys. Normal yon kasi ano po, medyo maingay talaga sa background ko. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Okay, terminal po ng tricycle yung ano dito. Sa labas lang na bintana namin. So, pasensya na po. Anyway, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Sana sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, no? Subscribe na lang, guys. Ayan. Kunin mo lang yung magre-resonate sa'yo. And, ayan. Medyo, sana makuha ko yung energy mo, no? Kung hindi, check mo yung ibang videos natin. For Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, ano ang messages for you pagdating sa love? Okay, Nine of Swords. Queen of Wands. Why? Bakit? The Hermit. Oh, that's Virgo energy. Seven of Pentacles, the Empress. Okay, for what I can see here, actually this is your energy. Pero pwede maging energy to ng person mo eh. Alam mo naman yan. Nakikita natin na sobrang, ano ka ngayon eh, parang nasasaktan, parang hindi ka masaya sa nagiging connection ninyo na person mo. I feel like you are, pwedeng may halong selos yung iba. But with the Queen of Wands, I don't know, pinapakita mo lang sa sarili mo na parang okay ka lang. Puwedeng ganyan, puwedeng sinasabi mo sa mga tao sa paligid mo na, "Okey lang ako, masaya naman ako." Bakit, 'di ba? With the Hermit, lalo na if you're single, puwedeng pinapakita mong masaya ka sa pagiging single mo na ganyan. But with the Seven of Pentacles, part of you is parang feeling mo hindi naggo-grow. Puwedeng financially or pagdating sa career mo, okey ka naman. Pero sabihin nating you want more. No, may hunger sa'yo, eh, parang may gutom, may gusto kang maranasan, eh, may parang may kulang. Financially gano'n din. Financially and also pagdating sa pakikipag-connect sa relationship, or no, if you're single, maybe part of you is like, gusto mo rin ng relasyon, eh. Sabihin na natin, okey masaya ka sa single life na ganyan, pero hindi gusto mo rin ng relasyon, eh. The Empress is here and the Hierophant. Okay, wait lang guys. Sige, palagay na lang dito. Pasuyo ako ng ilaw. Thank you. So, ayun. Sorry about that. But anyway, ayun na, nakita natin yung, yung energy mo na gusto mo rin ng relationship, gusto mo rin ng connection. And for now, okay, nagfo-focus ka sa self-love mo. Marami ka na natutunan eh. Marami ka na lesson na natutunan pagdating sa mga previous connection, previous relationship. I feel like for some of you, pwedeng you're dealing with someone, pwedeng may soulmate energy sa inyo nitong taong to. With the world, pwedeng may separation or pagkakalayo. And with the high priestess, yeah, there's a soulmate connection between you and this person also with the Hierophant. Malaki ang paghanga mo dito sa taong 'to. With the devil, tina-try mo yung best mo na ang tignan sa kanya is yung mga kapangitan sa kanya, pero hindi mo makita yun, eh. Kasi with the Three of Swords, maybe kaya mo lang pinipilit ang sarili mo na tignan yung mga hindi magaganda sa taong ito dahil, maybe there's another connection or relationship na na involved dito, okay. So, I don't know kung may third party, but part of you merong third party na involved and ito yung pinaka-main problem with the Nine of Wands. So, kaya yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang with the Ace of Wands, gusto mo siya pero nakikita mo masaya naman na siya sa iba and so wala kang choice kundi ang umiwas or lumayo sa inyong dalawa. Ano ba? Okay, sorry about that. So anyway, ano yung nararamdaman nitong taong ito sa'yo? nararamdaman nitong taong ito sa'yo? Spirit guides, angel guides. Anong nararamdaman itong person na ito for you? Spirit guides, angel guides, this is for earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Two of Wands, Ace of... Oh, okay. Ace of Cups. There's a lot of love. So, mahal din ikaw nitong taong to. Kaya lang with the Seven of Wands, naiinis siya, you know. Yung parang ganun. Mas nangingibabaw yung ines, yung yamot sa'yo. So, mahal ka niya pero nakakainis kang mahalin. With the Knight of Cups, etong person na ito, nakikita natin gusto niya kasing i-offer or ano, may plano siya eh. Etong person na to, kung just in case lang, no, na with the Eight of Swords, sabihin na natin, stuck nga siya sa relationship, sa connection. Pero just in case with the Four of Cups na i-offer niya itong love na ito sa'yo and tatanggapin mo naman, may plano siya sa inyong dalawa with the Five of Swords yan. Willing siyang i-let go or layuan or with the world, ayan na nga, there's distance separation. So, willing siyang layuan, i-cut off, tanggalin itong nagpapagulo sa inyong dalawa, which is maybe the third party situation na involved nga sa connection ninyo. Alamin natin ano yung situation nitong person na ito. Na high chance meron talagang third party. So, connection ng person na ito, person mo, dun sa person naman niya nakakonect, no? Alamin natin kung kamusta ba yung situation nilang dalawa ngayon. Okay. For earth sign, please. Six of Swords, Ten of Cups. Okay, so there's a lot of love, pero nakakita pa rin tayo ng distance, the world. So may pagmamahalan, maybe there's family na involved dito sa connection na ito, may pagmamahalan, buo yung connection, buo yung relationship niya at yung kakonect niya. So if there's family na involved, may children, may mga nakikita tayong children dito, okay naman, masaya. And with the Six of Swords, maybe regarding sa mga hindi magagandang nangyari in the past, naka-move on na sila. So, there is this connection with the Seven of Swords na pwedeng naging magulo in the past. Pero with the Six of Pentacles, pinagtulong-tulungan eh. No, so, yon. Nakita na natin yung pagpasok ng problema sa connection nila. Pero nangyari ay pinagtulong-tulungan. Ayan, there's a lot of six here. Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles, Six of Wands. That's 666. That's an angel number. So, yung number 6 kasi sa numerology, it's about balance. So, naging balance eh. May pagbibigay, pagpapatawad dun sa isa, and then meron din pagbibigay at pagpapatawad dun sa isa. So, naging balance ang connection nila. So, ngayon, may nakikita pa rin tayong separation in a way na parang may kulang pa rin dun sa connection. Na parang there are times na talagang may sa totoo lang medyo mababaw. Mababaw pa rin yung connection nilang dalawa. Pero tinatry nilang i-work out ito. So, meron pang chance na matapos, ganyan. Or kung merong magkaroon ng mabigat na problema, possible pa rin ang separation sa kanilang dalawa. Okay, so what will happen in the near future for the both of you, Earth sign? You and this. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. So, ano yung near future between you and this person? Spirit guides, angel guys. For you and this person. Nine of Wands. Okay. Nine of Wands, the Hangman, Page of Swords, the Hierophant. Okay. So, yan. Major Arcana, the Hierophant and the Hangman. In the future, nakikita natin dito na may paghihintayan pa rin sa inyo dalawa. Kasi actually, itong Nine of Wands, nakikita natin as a main problem, challenge. Hindi nawawala eh. The Page of Swords, I feel like this is you na gusto mong mag-take actions in the near future, but with the Hierophant, pwedeng nire-respeto mo kung ano yung connection niya with someone and nire-respeto mo kung ano yung mga decision niya with someone, and with the Hangman, yun, naghihintay ka pa rin dito in the future. Ayan. And with the Eight of Swords, I'm sorry to say your person is still stuck sa connection and relationship. But with the Page of Wands, may communication. I can see communication with you pagdating sa pera. Pero I feel like either kung dito sa person na ito, strictly money lang. Ganun. Pag-uusap lang regarding sa pera. If may kinalaman sa career, meron din eh. Yung iba, wala namang kinalaman sa kanya. It's just that may kakausapin ka or may mga pag-uusap na gagawin ka with someone. someone else na may kinalaman sa pera, and maganda. Professional ang dating dito, and I can see a lot of money coming, paparating sa'yo. And there's a new beginning also, malaking pagbabago na pwedeng magbigay ng malaking success para sa'yo. So, napakaganda nito, no? Kasi may mga mensahe regarding sa pera. And what is the overall advice para sa'yo, Earth sign? Overall advice for you, Earth sign? King of Wands. Okay. Um, hmm. I would like to clarify this. What's with the King of Wands? What's with the King of Wands? King of Wands, Six of Wands, and the Judgment. Okay. Eight of Swords, Page of Wands. Hindi ako magiging ano sa'yo, I mean, I will tell you the truth here. Kung ikaw ay nagpipigil sa ngayon, ang advice sa'yo is magpigil pa rin. Why? Kasi with the King of Wands, ayaw mo mag-cause ng gulo eh. And, tama lang. Kumbaga, alam mo kung dapat kung saan ka lulugar. With the Judgment, I know this is a soulmate connection, pero with the Six of Wands, I feel like kailangan mo munang hanapin yung victory mo sa sarili mo. Like, you need to focus on yourself. Kailangan mo munang maging successful. Kailangan mo munang ibigay sa sarili mo yung mga dapat mong ma-achieve sa sarili mo. Kailangan mong maging, the Six of Wands is all about victory. So, kailangan mo magtagumpay ka muna sa sarili mo. Kasi yung pagtatagumpay, hindi naman yan makukuha mo sa love lang. Kailangan magtagumpay ka muna as a person. And then, we'll see, 'di ba? Sa ngayon, yun na muna yung dapat mong pagfokusan, hindi muna love or whatever. Kasi honestly, hindi ko pa rin naman nakikitang ready ka pagdating sa bagay na yun. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.